we have another short section. This one's pretty easy, but does require some memorization. In this section, we're going to talk about the phonetic alphabet, which I'm pretty sure everyone is familiar with, and aircraft call signs. You have to memorize the phonetic alphabet. There's no getting around this. It's easy, and I'll run through it once with you. At this point, if I were in similar shoes, I would pause this video and focus on trying to memorize each of these. The only item here worth commenting is the number 9. It is pronounced niner. Of all the numbers, this is the only one that is a little bit different. Let's say, for example, you're calling in for a briefing. You should state the aircraft type, the model or manufacturer's name, followed by the digits or letters of the registration number. Pretty easy, right? For sUAS aircraft, they typically start with N or November. In this example here, it would be N2464A or November 2464 Alpha. All right, let's break down aircraft call signs a little more. When the aircraft manufacturer's name or model is stated, the prefix N is dropped. So if originally you stated November 2464 Alpha, instead you might say Aztec 2464 Alpha. If you have an experimental aircraft, you might say it something like this: Breezy 613 Romeo Experimental. After the initial contact, you can drop the word experimental. For student pilots, it's similar. Here's an example: Fleetwing 1234 student pilot. Pretty easy, right?